Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, Apple is not playing games anymore this year. They will shock us with all new iPhone 14 Pro Max because that device is coming with some mind-blowing features and design changes that just incredible. Massive news coming in from Taiwan. Foxconn has started with the trial production of the iPhone 14 Pro series, and this means the design and the spec won't change much. A few days ago, we saw the display schematics of the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max, showcasing and confirming the circular and pill-shaped cutout for the selfie shooter and Face ID. At this point, it is clear that Apple is going to be removing the notch, and this is how the iPhone 14 Pro Max is gonna look like. Now, some massive news is also coming from Chinese social media Weibo, and this is your closer look at schematics of the dual punch hole coming in the Apple devices. Apple is going to using this punch hole and pill-shaped notch in the iPhone 14 Pro series, so you guys can see the hole punch is 5.6mm thick, and that hole is really massive. Then we have a pill-shaped hole with an IR camera and supporting Face ID sensor, and you can say that they are removing the useless area of the notch, and this look may hilarious, but again it's a way better than a notch. So definitely this is going to be a refreshing kind of a design coming from Apple from such a long time. And Apple is launching 4 models this year. We are going to see iPhone 14, 14 Max, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. The standard 14 and 14 Max will be coming with the notch, whereas the 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max will be coming with the punch hole and pill-shaped camera cutout. The lower end model are going to be having a screen size of 6.1 inch, and the Pro variants will be coming with a 6.7 inch of massive display. 120 Hz of refresh rate is expected to be coming in all the 4 models. Also, there is a big improvement inside the body. We are expected to see a titanium finish exclusive to the Pro models, so you pay more and get the awesome features, which is not a shocker. And there is another hot news coming in the form of Korea that Apple iPhone 14 Pro series is gonna have the 8 gigs of RAM, which is insane. The iPhone 13 Pro Max is coming with a 6 GB of RAM. It can handle all tasks quite easily. However, alongside with the iPhone 14 series, we can expect that they are also launching the iOS 16, which is going to be coming with new widgets and heavy interface. So I guess 8 gigs of RAM will help in better, fast multitasking. Finally, the main news coming in from Taiwan. TSMC is handling the production of the Apple iPhone 14 5G radio frequency chip, and it is based on 6nm fabrication process, which is nice. And the report says that the 6nm processor is going to help make the chip smaller and power efficient. Not to mention, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is one of the best when it comes to battery life from all the flagship currently available. So it's no surprise when the iPhone 14 Pro Max is going to surpass the limit, giving us an even longer battery thanks to a new VC cooling mechanism and also a 4nm base A16 Bionic silicon. So as I said, Apple is gonna shock us all. There is some hot new specs and design, and here is no doubt that Apple is going all out this year. In a few days or weeks, we may see the mock-up plastic design of the iPhone 14 series. So make sure to like and subscribe for the latest news on iPhone 14. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.